Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail Rotary Wool Pad on this particular car. I will do like a 50-50 on the hood or bonnet, and then we'll see what's the difference. Other than that, obviously I'm going to use it with a rotary polisher since this is for that purpose. I will do some sort of preparation like pre-wash, wash, whatever on the car, but that's not going to be part of this video. You are going to see only from the polishing. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
A couple hundred miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me, too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind. Wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple, try to talk about what's on our mind.
Shade of doubt hanging around, got old. 'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days are gone, I'm walking tall while you're alone. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am
Alrighty, boys and girls, that was a DIY Detail Rotary wool pad. All in all, it worked very well, I have to say. But at the end of the day, as it didn't cut as much as the DA, however, that one has a 25mm stroke, so obviously it cuts better. So I finished the car with the DA, but on the 50/50, hopefully you will also see that this one was making significant improvement. Even with the DA, I left lots of scratches in it, but this car would need a paint job rather than a polishing. But yeah, I try to achieve with, let's say, minimum effort something better than it is or it was before. Anywho, all in all, I can hands-on how to comment, it's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next time. Bye bye.